And then inside the center console itself, you've got a huge load bay. You've another 3.5, an extra 3.5 millimeter audio jack. And then here we have an aux input and a USB charger point. Big giant cup holders. Great controls for the moonroof, which is power operated with, as well as with a power operated shade. And the seats really feel at an infinity level of luxury and technology. So in this platinum trim model, you have a Bose audio center speaker there.